Hey, today we're going to talk about how we can make your clutch pull easier on your Harley-Davidson motorcycle. Hey guys, Larry Yeager here from Yeager Cycle, and I wanted to talk to you today about how to make your clutch pull, your cable clutch pull softer on your 21 and later Harley-Davidson touring motorcycle. And actually, this would apply to other Yeager bikes that Harley-Davidson sells with a cable clutch. So what they do, there's a couple, 2 or 3 different ways you can make it pull softer. But Müller, M-U-L-L-E-R, is a German company that has made different clutch levers that go inside of the transmission for Harley-Davidson motorcycle applications for a number of years. And I've used them on bikes, and they are absolutely a very good quality, and they really reduce the pull of the clutch. So as a lot of you may know, Harley-Davidson used cable clutches on their touring bikes up until 2014. And then they went to a hydraulic clutch from 14 until 20. And some people liked the hydraulic, some people did not like the hydraulic. It seemed some people felt like it pulled a little stiffer and a little harder. I kind of had that sense as well, that it was a little harder pull. So when you was in traffic and you were, like say you went to Sturgis and you was in a line of motorcycles, you know, just hard to pull that clutch and hold it in for a length of time. So anyway, there are different things you could do, and one thing that I found was to install this very Müller clutch lever. So the location of this is down at the end of the clutch cable on the right hand side in the transmission is where the location's at. So it's not anything you see, it's not anything you really mess with. And basically the deal is Müller has designed this system, and this lever from here to the center is longer than the stock one. So it gives it more leverage is what it's doing. So when you pull the cable in like this, it basically, the cable is pulling this, it's rotating this, which is disengaging the clutch. And when it being longer, it gives it more leverage. So Müller says that it reduces clutch pull by 40%, which is huge. That's a large amount. So it just makes it pull in easier, softer. It works the same. It's a very good system. I think you really like it, especially if you know you have an injury to a wrist and you can't pull the clutch in very well. If you just have a little smaller hands and you don't have the power with your fingers extended all the way out, that works well for that. These are a fairly easy install. They're $280 is what they cost. And they also come with on the 21 and laters. They also come with a new adjuster that goes into your goes in line on your clutch cable. Because of the longer length of that lever, it changes the inner cable length. So they give you a new adjuster that compensates for that, and it's a very nicely made, very well machined adjuster. And again, that's a fairly easy install as well. We keep these in stock. If you want to stop by sometime, we have one on this motorcycle here, so where you can actually feel it, how much easier it pulls. Like I mentioned earlier, I personally have used them and I've had great success with them. Anyway, I felt like that this would be something that would benefit a lot of people. So yeah, if we can help you in any way, just please let us know. We'd be glad to. Thank you.